Hi guys, this is going to be your answer key for the converting units study guide. So the first thing we're going to do is write the correct abbreviation for each unit. So for example, kilogram is kg. Meter is just one little m. Gram is a little g. Milliliter gets a little m for milli and a big L for liter. Because if you look over here, liter is big L. Kilometer is km. Millimeter gets two little m's. Micrometer uses that letter mu, micrometer. I put kilometer twice for fun. Centimeter is cm. Milligram gets an m for milli and a g for gram. For second, you can write just s. Now for me, I feel like with my handwriting, my s's always look like 5s, so I actually usually try to write sec, but s is fine. Microgram is like this. Megameter, we don't use this much, but mega, it's a big M and then a little m for meter. A megagram gets a big M and then a little g, megagram. Foot, you'll do FT. Inch, IN. Mile is MI, and minute is MIN. Now let's do the basic metric conversions. What do these things mean? So how many meters are in a kilometer? 1,000. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. How many centimeters are in a meter? I know that, it's 100. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. How many millimeters are in a meter? There's 1,000 millimeters in a meter, so 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. And how many micrometers are in a meter? That's 1,000,000. So 1 meter equals 1,000,000 micrometers. Now this is just the reciprocal. If 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, then 1 meter equals 1,000th of a kilometer. And 1 centimeter is 100th of a meter. It's the reciprocal of this. If 1 meter has 1,000 millimeters, then 1 millimeter is 1,000th, whoops, sorry, that's a 1,000th of a meter. And 1 micrometer is 1,000,000th. That gets like 5 zeros. Now these are basically the same as right here. If 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, well then 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 gram has 100 centigrams. 1 gram has 1,000 milligrams, and 1 gram equals 1,000,000 micrograms. And now for the easy metric conversions right here. There. 1,000 milligrams, I put that right here. 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. So, 1 gram. 1 liter is how many milliliters? Well, this milli equals 1,000. So there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter. Now centimeters and millimeters. I know there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And I know that's also equal to 1,000 millimeters. Can you see that? Just about, yeah. So that means that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So I'm going to multiply this by 10 and get 1,600. 14 kilometers, how many meters? Well, I know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, so 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer, so I will multiply 14 by 1,000. So I'll get 14,000. I know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, and that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Or I could say that 1,000th of a kilogram equals 1 gram. I'm going to move my decimal place 1, 2, 3. I'm going to divide by 1,000 or multiply by 1,000th. Either way, that's my answer. The same thing here. 250 meters, how many kilometers? Well, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, or I could multiply by 1,000th if I prefer. But I'm going to move my decimal place 3 places, 0.250. I'll make a second video for the back.